fit check with the puppies. The puppies? Say hi. Okay. I just got done with my job at the bakery my mom and I own. I wore this shirt with some little cake earrings and red Converse to match. And now I'm getting ready for my second job today, which is serving. So mostly black, but anyways, I say hi to all the puppies. It's Bella. Oh. And Bella. It's a good girl. This is mommy's baby. Oh, here's Caspian. Bones, hello. Come here, Bones. Oh, oh. Here's a good boy. There's Bones. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. No growling at other puppies, okay? He's a chunky boy. Oh, Bear. Here, say hi, Bear. Bear's the last buddy. Hey, Bear. There's Bear. Of course, can't forget Biscuit. Little Biscuit. Say hi, Biscuit. No? Hi? No? You want to go look over there? Okay, go ahead.